Hey everyone, welcome back to Revax, your go-to source for the coolest gadgets, smart inventions, and cutting-edge tech. Today, we're showcasing some incredible bike gadgets that can make your ride safer, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. From innovative accessories to game-changing cycling gear, these gadgets are built to take your biking experience to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new discovery. All the products featured today are linked in the description below. Now, let's jump in and check them out.
Number 13, meet the ultimate fat tire e-bike, powered by a 750-watt motor with up to 1,500-watt peak power for serious speed and performance. The removable 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery delivers up to 60 miles of range and recharges in just 6 to 7 hours. Front and rear suspension, plus 20-inch puncture-resistant fat tires, provide a smooth ride on streets, trails, sand, and snow. Bright LED lights and mechanical disc brakes keep every ride safe, day or night. With 7-speed gearing, multiple riding modes, and an LCD display, this e-bike is built for adventure, commuting, and everything in between.
Number 12. You lock up your bike, give the chain a quick pull, and walk away knowing it's secure. That's the Titanker heavy-duty chain lock. Thick, cut-resistant steel links make it tough against theft, while the protective fabric sleeve prevents scratches and rust. The key only comes out when the lock is fully secured, so there's no second guessing if it's locked properly. It even comes with 2 keys, just in case one goes missing. Strong, portable, and built for everyday rides. Because peace of mind should be part of every journey.
Number 11. You're riding through the city, music blasting, lights pulsing with every beat. That's this Bluetooth bike speaker. The secure handlebar mount keeps it locked in place, even on bumpy roads. It's IPX7 waterproof, connects in seconds with Bluetooth 5.3, and lets you take calls or hear GPS directions completely hands-free. The sound is loud, clear, and packed with bass. Plus, the battery lasts up to 24 hours on a single charge. Small, portable, and built for every adventure.
Number 10. Your bike chain looks dirty, sluggish, and covered in grime. That's where the Park Tools Cyclone CM5.3 comes in. Just clip it onto your chain, add cleaner, and let the rotating brushes do the hard work. The built-in wicking sponge helps reduce drips and mess, keeping cleanup simple. The sturdy handle gives you complete control, and it works with virtually every multi-speed bike, from 5-speed all the way to 12-speed drivetrains. Fast, easy, and one of the simplest ways to keep your bike running smoothly.
Number 9. You're miles from home when something on your bike needs adjusting. No problem. Meet the Topeak Mini 9. This ultra-compact multi-tool packs 9 essential functions, including Allen keys, a Torx T25, and a Phillips screwdriver, all in one lightweight folding design. Built from hardened chrome vanadium steel, it's tough enough for the trail and small enough to fit in your pocket or saddlebag. It even comes with a neoprene carrying case. Simple, reliable, and always ready when your ride throws you a surprise.
Number 8. Flat tire? Not for long. This ultra-compact electric bike pump weighs just 0.26 pounds, but packs serious power. It can inflate a road bike tire to 100 psi in about 80 seconds. Just set your target pressure, press start, and let it do the work. The LED screen shows real-time pressure, while smart sensors ensure accurate inflation every time. Compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, it's small enough for your jersey pocket, but powerful enough for any ride. A must-have backup for every cyclist.
Number 7. You're riding at night, and every pedal stroke makes you more visible. That's the ArcLight Pro Smart LED pedals. Built-in lights automatically turn on when you ride and switch off when you stop. Smart sensors keep the front lights white and the rear lights red, no matter how the pedals rotate. The bright LEDs create 360-degree visibility, helping you stand out from every angle. With rugged aluminum construction, weatherproof protection, and aggressive grip pins, these pedals are built for serious riding. Charge them once and enjoy up to 36 hours of illumination. Safety and performance, built into every pedal stroke. Number 6. You're riding home after dark. Cars, intersections, distractions everywhere. That's when this smart bike tail light shines. Its 300-degree wide-angle beam helps you stay visible from multiple directions, while intelligent brake detection automatically gets brighter when you slow down. Stop for a few minutes, and it powers down to save battery. Start riding again, and it turns back on automatically. Lightweight, waterproof, and with up to 45 hours of runtime, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in safety every time you ride.
Number 5. Flat tire on the road? Don't waste time fighting with stubborn tire levers. Meet the Tire Glider. This compact tool is designed to glide bike tires on and off the rim with surprisingly little effort. Whether you're running road, mountain, gravel, or e-bike tires, it handles even tight-fitting setups with ease. Made from durable, high-strength material, it's built to last and won't easily snap like traditional tire levers. Small enough for your pocket or saddlebag, it's the tool you'll be glad to have when a flat tire tries to ruin your ride.
Number 4. You're miles into a ride when something comes loose. Instead of heading home, you pull out this all-in-one bike repair kit. It combines a ratchet wrench, 10 interchangeable bits, and a compact mini pump in one portable package. Need to tighten a bolt, adjust your brakes, or inflate a tire? It's ready in seconds. The magnetic bit system keeps everything secure, while the lightweight design fits easily into a backpack or bike bag. Built for cyclists, but handy enough for everyday repairs, it's the toolkit you'll want on every adventure.
Number 3. Your bike doesn't just move anymore, it puts on a light show. These LED wheel lights clip onto your wheel in minutes and instantly transform every ride. With 3 bright LED light tubes and multiple flashing modes, you'll stand out day or night. The Diamond Bright LEDs deliver over 20 hours of illumination, while the weather-resistant design keeps shining through the elements. Whether you're cruising through the city or riding after dark, these lights add visibility, style, and a whole lot of attention with every spin of the wheel. Number 2. You're heading out for a long ride and need space for all your gear. That's where this 4-in-1 bike rack bag comes in. With a roomy 15-liter capacity and multiple pockets, it keeps everything organized and within reach. When the ride is over, it instantly converts into a backpack, shoulder bag, or handbag. The waterproof design and included rain cover help protect your essentials in bad weather, while reflective details improve visibility at night. Easy to install and built to stay secure on rough roads, it's the perfect companion for every cycling adventure.
Number 1. Want to track every mile of your ride? This wireless bike computer makes it easy. It automatically wakes up when you start moving and displays your speed, distance, and ride time on a clear LCD screen. Riding after dark, the built-in backlight helps keep your stats visible at night. Setup takes just a few minutes, and the simple 2-button design makes navigation effortless. Lightweight, waterproof, and compatible with most bikes, it's a smart upgrade for cyclists who want to keep an eye on every ride.